Hi boys and girls, happy Wednesday. We're halfway through the week. You guys have been doing a great job. Just a couple updates. One, if you have not gotten on and started to work on your body paragraphs of your research report, please do so. The second thing too, I want you guys to make sure that you're looking back for comments so that you know what I'm looking for basically, or if something needs to be fixed or maybe added to. Please also remember that everything that you need is in the research report. I just went in and added mini lesson D to the resources because those will give you all of the links for the research. So that might be helpful if you need it. Other than that, you guys are doing a great job. Keep up the great work. Remember, we've got today, tomorrow, and Friday, and then you have a long weekend. So with that, I figured I would try one more Flipgrid. Last time I did a Flipgrid, I only got one response, so I'm hoping for some more. This time I'm asking you guys to say hello, and then there's a question that goes along with it. I can't remember exactly what it is, but it's there. The new thing I'm trying is to allow you guys to comment back and forth to each other on your Flipgrids. My only thing is make sure it's appropriate, because if we are not appropriate, then I will not do this again. So it's something that I figured I would try with you guys. Let's see what happens. And yeah, I can't wait to see your responses. Just so you know though, I still put up that I need to see it first before it can be added. So just let me know if you add a Flipgrid. And yeah, I can't wait to see it. Keep up the great work. You guys know that a new assignment will be coming out today. And the only other thing I wanted to tell you guys is keep your eyes out for a possible Zoom meeting on Thursday. Not sure what time, not sure who I'm inviting, but keep your eyes out for that. All right, have a great Wednesday, and I will see you guys. Well, not really see you guys. I will talk to you guys through comments and emails. All right, bye.